Great for our organization, this one. For kitchen, for your shelves. Nice. This one great for newspaper, magazine. Nice. I like that one there. See, that's cute. Oh, I like the nice flowers. Flowers. We have nice vases. Wow. Nice vases. This is cute. This one great for windows. Yes. 10 pound. You have many nice pieces. This one is cute. Don't know how much. I don't want to touch it because it's a cushion. Oh my god, I like this one. Really nice. Good for winter. And that's wow, love it. This one, I wish I can just buy without just a cover, without the cushion. You need one. Ah, this is good for laundry. Nice laundry basket. Fit a lot of dirty clothes. This one is nice. How much is that? No, there's no price. Nice vases. I miss this one. Look at this, guys. Wow, what is that? Look, £12.99. It's gardening. Kitchen towels. Trays. Wine rack. This is cute. Kitchen. I don't know how much. Like this one. Nice design. Nice style, nice tray. It's cute too. Baskets. Fruit basket. one is cute, I think. Oh, like this one. Bread. Storage for bread. How much? 25 pounds. Cute siya.